Good evening to all. Today we are going to discuss about the rearrangement. What is rearrangement? The migrating group is migrated one atom to another atom. This is called rearrangement. Okay. This is R is substituent. This is migrating group. This is migrated with one atom, carbon one atom to carbon two atoms. So this is rearrangement. Now we discuss about the pinacol-pinacolan rearrangement. What is pinacol-pinacolan rearrangement? 1,2 thiol is converted into ketone. 1,2 thiol is treated with sulfuric acid to give ketone is formed. This is pinacol-pinacolan rearrangement. One comma two thiol, this is pinacol, is treated with sulfuric acid to give ketone is pinacolan is formed. Now we take pinacol-pinacolan rearrangement for example. Now we take 2,3 dimethylbutane, 2,3 diol. This is pinacol. Is treated with sulfuric acid. Now we take 2,3 dimethylbutane, 2,3 diol. This is pinacol. Is treated with sulfuric acid to give 3,3 dimethylbutane, 2-1 pinacolan is formed. Okay. Now we discuss this mechanism. There are 4 steps of pinacol-pinacolan rearrangement. First step is protonation. Protonation of pinacol. Protonation of 2,3 dimethylbutane, 2,3 thiol. The proton is attacked into the hydroxyl group. 2 gives oxonium ion is formed. This result oxonium ion. First step is protonation. Protonation of 2,3 dimethylbutane, 2,3 diol. This is proton is attack into the hydroxyl group. 2 gives oxonium ion is formed. Second step is loss of water molecule. The water molecule is lost and the result is carbocation is formed. The water molecule is lost, result carbocation is formed. Carbocation means the carbon positively charged species. This is called carbocation. Okay. And the third step is 1,2 shift. One comma two shift meaning the migrating group is migrated one atom to another atom. The methyl group is shifted one carbon atom to adjacent carbon atom. Okay. The methyl group is migrated one atom to adjacent atom. So the third position carbocation is formed. And the final step is loss of water molecule. Final step is loss of proton. Final step is loss of proton, phenolcholine is formed. Phenol-phenolcholine rearrangement is the acid catalyst rearrangement. The 1,2 thiol is converted into ketone. This is called phenol-phenolcholine rearrangement. Okay. Now we take 2,3 dimethylbutane, 2,3 thiol. This is phenol. This is treated with sulfuric acid to give phenolcholine is formed. This mechanism is 4 steps of mechanism. Step 1 is protonation. Protonation of 2,3 dimethylbutane, 2,3 thiol. The proton is attacked into the hydroxyl group to give oxonium ion is formed. And the second step is loss of water molecule. Water molecule loss and the carbocation water molecule loss, and the result is carbocation is formed. Third step is 1,2 shift. The migrating group is migrated one atom to adjacent atom. This is called 1,2 shift. And the final step is loss of proton. Proton is lost and the phenolcholine is formed. This phenolcholine rearrangement. This is used into the synthesis of ketone and the synthesis of phenolcholine. Phenolcholine rearrangement used application is first is synthesis of ketone and the second is synthesis of phenolcholine and aldehyde groups. So, thank you.